one thing you can't get off without is labels. Everything needs a label so you know what's growing. So I'll show you a quick way to make labels. So the main thing you're going to need is an old milk bottle. We're going to big on recycling. Just give it a good old rinse out and then just cut it. And you want some nice tabs out of it. So what I normally do is I go down there and then just do a little strip. And then here it's as simple as 1, 2, 3. Just cut them all and leave them to dry off in the greenhouse, and then just write on them with a permanent marker. And hopefully that helps you if you're stuck with labels or making your own labels that will last, because sometimes the other ones don't last as long. The writing comes off them, or they biodegrade. But yeah, this is a quick way because I was running low. I'm just doing it now so you've got a video out of this. That one's a bit too thin, but there you go, got loads. Boom.